Many patients, many women who want breast implant, they want good surgery, safe surgery, but they are concerned, they are inhibited, they are apprehensive about these implants, how strong they are, whether they will rupture, what is the quality. So let me talk about these implants. They are top quality plants. I use made in Brazil, made in Paris, or made in UK implants. I don't use any Chinese or Korean implants, nothing against these countries, but the implants what I use are top brands. They come with international warranty 15 years. Manufacturer says if they have any issues, they will replace free of cost wherever you are in the world. Point is, nothing happens to them. They are top quality implants. They don't rupture easily. I'll show you. You press it. Okay, nothing happens. I'll drop this implant. Nothing happens to it. Okay. Now, I will throw this implant. Nothing happens to it. I will stand on this implant. Okay. You can see. Nothing happens to it. I can bring up a chair and put this in beneath the chair and sit on it. And I can bet that nothing will happen on it. Sit on it. I'm sitting on an implant with my chair. Nothing happens to it. And not only this, it maintains its shapes. Whatever you press, it comes back to its original shape. That's the quality of implants we use. So if you have any more questions, you're apprehensive about implants, the durability of the implants, the longevity of these implants, please connect with us. Me and my team are there to guide you honestly and scientifically.